Welcome at AVR based smart decision support system for farmers. Our developed prototype will act as a virtual assistant to the farmers in decision making based on the analysis done by the system after sensing the soil moisture and atmospheric temperature. System consists of a Arduino Uno board, AVR Atmel Atmega 328 microcontroller, soil moisture sensor, LM35 temperature sensor, APR audio interfacing system, Zigbee transmitter and Bluetooth transmitter, as well as with LCD local display and power supply for the functioning of all this whole system. Microcontroller senses the soil moisture and temperature. Then it takes the decision with the help of logical combinations of the sensed parameter. For example, when moisture goes below 20%, it displays decision that irrigation is required. And it triggers the water pump automatically on. Water pump start to irrigate the field, and it continues till the moisture goes up to 70%. Beyond 70%, motor will be triggered off and a decision will be displayed at the local display that crop is over irrigated, and the same message will be played by the audio system.
Crop is over irrigated.
This decision can be sent to a wireless devices, which can be any mobile phones, computer system and tablets, etc. The codes for the system functioning is written in embedded C Arduino program console version 1.0.5. I started coding with including the libraries for LCD and serial USB converter, then defined the keys for the audio and motor controlling. Further, the codes for reading data from the sensor and decision making were done at this console, and these codes are burned at the microcontroller, AVR microcontroller, for the proper functioning of the system. I hope my system would become a farmer's virtual friend to accomplish the crop cultural practices. Thanks for tuning in.